So the basis of this was to determine what? There were two things you were looking at. Tell me in the chat, what were you looking for on the elements? How were you determining this? Okay, what kind of metals they are. All right. Thank you. Ding, ding, ding. So we were looking at metals, right? And we were trying to determine transitional metals or non-transitional metals, right? Yeah. So how you were doing this was looking at the elements and determining whether it was a transitional metal or a non-transitional metal. Now, and then you would know which one was going to get a yes or a no. Was it going to be ammonium hydroxide or was it going to be hydrochloric acid? So, do transitional metals react with ammonium hydroxide? Let's waterfall it. And I need to see 100% participation.
I was like, where's my area to check to see who's participating? I had it minimized.
All right, so again, there's 20 of you in here. We need to see 20 people. It's either a yes or a no. Or, you know, I mean, you have a 50-50 shot here.
But you're not using your green check. You are actually typing it out.
Yeah, remember waterfall? Type it out and hold on to it. Don't enter it. Some people are entering. Slow down, slow down. Remember, we have not released the Kraken.
Yes, and even though Halloween's over, the Kraken still exists.
Oh, yeah.
You can still be
like our zombie room.
Yeah.
I think, you know, as we get close to Christmas, maybe we'll make it like the present wrapping room or something, you know, pouring room.
Wait, or we can make it Krampus's lair. Just saying. Just saying.
Just saying. Alrighty. It looks like we're almost ready to release. Juliana, do you have an answer? Morgan. Morgan, are you sleeping? Okay, we got to release, people. They're like, yes, we do. Okay, yes, that would be the correct answer. So, yes, all of you got that. No, yes, maybe, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so that means we know that transitional metals are reacting with the ammonium hydroxide. So, we can go along and say yes to the transitional metals. So, is sodium, which is the Na, is that a transitional metal? Just put it in the chat.
There's so many yeses. I don't know if they're answering that question. Or
I know. That's it. Look at your periodic table, people. Find sodium.
Wow.
Okay, everybody, look at your periodic table. Tell me, is sodium a transitional metal or not?
Okay. Everybody needs to relook at that periodic table.
Yeah. I mean, because I don't know what you're looking at.
Oh, they're looking at that alternative periodic table that we don't use in this class.
Oh, yeah. Don't do that. No, no. Yay. All right. Sakai is trying to take it a step further also. Right. So we know that sodium is not a transitional metal. Therefore, it is not going to react with ammonium hydroxide, but it is going to react with what? Hydrochloric acid, right? There we go. All right. Now, oh, I don't know what happened in there. Magnesium. Let's move on to magnesium. Let's waterfall this. And I want to see, is it going to react with ammonium hydroxide or hydrochloric acid? I want one of those.
So you have to not just type yes or no.
No, this one's you're actually saying you can type NH4OH or HCl. All right, and I'm going to put 15 seconds up there because we gotta move it along.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's gonna take me 15 seconds to get it up there. There, you got 15 seconds. I know, right? I'm like, hi Haley, it's fine.
Abby, Cameron, Carmen. I don't see.
Come on, people. Oh, there it is, waterfall. Okay, we have a lot of no's. That's funny. Okay. For those of you that said hydrochloric acid, you are correct. Yes, it is not a transitional metal, so it is reacting with hydrochloric acid. All right, let's do the next one quickly. Titanium, or as Miss Bawaka likes to call it, Treasure Island.
I know, right? Yeah.
Let's go back to the yes or no. Is it going to react with ammonium hydroxide? Waterfall it. So hold on to it. You got 15 seconds. Hold on to it. We're waterfalling. All right. So, yay. It looks like we had most consensus of a yes, and you are correct. It is a transitional metal, so it is reacting with the ammonium hydroxide, not the hydrochloric acid. All right, silver, 15 seconds. Let's waterfall it.
I still think that says argon. It's silver. And then I called it gold earlier, too.
I know, right?
I'm surprised I didn't say nickel.
Like, what state do you live in?
I know.
All right. Most of the people said yes, and you are correct. Silver is a transitional metal, and it will react with ammonium hydroxide. Good, good. And it will not react with hydrochloric acid. Last one, cadmium, CD, cadmium. 15 seconds, people. Is it going to react with wow, I almost said hydrochloric acid. No. Is it going to react with ammonium hydroxide? Ammonium hydroxide. I don't want to confuse anyone. There it is. Oh, the cat is answering. Awesome. Okay, majority said yes, and you are correct. Again, transitional metal. Give yourselves a pat on the back or a round of applause because you answered correctly. All right, so give me a green check. Is everybody clear with this? Yeah, woohoo! Yay for you. Pretty clear. Good. I mean, it's taken straight from your lab. I'd say if you're not clear, look your lab over again And then, you know, come talk to us. So many opportunities. Remember, Tuesdays are blended days. That's the day to come find us, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's move on. Let's